How to check if you're eligible to the Magic Eden @me airdrop. Hello guys and welcome back. If you want to know if you're eligible to the Magic Eden me airdrop, you're at the right place. So for that, what you gotta do is download the Magic Eden application, or you can even view it in your browser or desktop. What you can do is go to the desktop and search for mefoundation.com and you'll be redirected to Magic Eden website. So after that, you can click on this and type down your code or even touch ID for the Magic Eden. So I'm going to use my touch ID over here. So now you can see that if you're using desktop, what you're going to do is click on this scan code over here, and once you click on that, you can just scan the QR code and access it through your desktop, because when you click on check eligibility, they'll ask you to sign in using the QR code. So you can just click on this and then scan it. So once done, you'll be able to see if you're eligible to that or not. So if you're using a mobile view like me, you can come over here under announcement section and see this option that is claim @me now. So what you're going to do is just click on claim me over here, and once you click on claim me, you'll be redirected to the mefoundation.com. so now you can see that it's written ineligible or already claimed. So if you have already claimed your tokens, then you won't be able to claim another airdrop, or you are ineligible according to the eligibility criteria that they have set. So if you don't meet that criteria, you won't be able to claim the airdrop. So it also says that looks like you're ineligible to claim tokens or have already claimed your tokens. So these are the two ways that if you have these things in your account, then you won't be able to claim any tokens. So that is basically how you can check eligibility criteria, if you can claim the ME airdrop or not. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.